Here is another brilliant question posted by one of our subscribers. As you go through the solution, you will understand why our students are right there on the top. We discuss real questions and brilliant solutions, solutions that matter and put you on the top. Thank you. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll discuss a very important question. We have tan 2x is equal to 4 over 3. We need to find all possible values of tan x. Extremely important question. I'm going to solve this using two different methods. As usual, we'll first understand the strategy and then find the solution. Let me also thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos, posting excellent comments. This question comes from our subscriber. You can also share your problems. We'll provide you with solutions. Now let us see, how do we solve this particular question? We are given that tan 2x, so double angle formula is involved, is 4 by 3. We need to find tan x. Correct. So let's see the double angle formula first, which is, tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan a tan b. So for tan 2x, if I write a and b both as x, x plus x is 2x, we get 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x. So we have a direct formula here. We know what is tan 2x, which is 4 over 3, and we can actually solve the quadratic equation in tan x and find the values. So that could be one approach. The second approach is that once you know tan 2x, you can find cos 2x and sin 2x. Cos 2x is basically square root of 1 plus we can find cos 2x, right? Which is well, so this is the first strategy. So let me write down strategy 1 is to use the formula tan 2x equals to 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x. Now let me also discuss with you strategy 2. In strategy 2, what we can do is we can find cos 2x and then we can say tan x is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2x over 1 plus cos 2x. So that's another formula which you could use, right? So we have two different strategies to work with. Great. Now let's see, how do we really solve this question? So I hope so far Things are absolutely clear, right? So let's begin with tan 2x given to us as 4 over 3, right? So what I'll do here is draw a triangle. Tan, as you know, is a ratio of opposite to hypotenuse, oh, opposite to adjacent. So if this is 2x, then we have sides 4 and 3. What is hypotenuse? It has to be 5, right? Since we know that hypotenuse, let's say h, is equal to square root of 3 square plus 4 square, right? Pythagorean triple. So once you know the three sides of this right angle triangle, you can also find cos 2x. So cos 2x will be now 3 over 5. Perfect. Now, it's important to also understand one more strategy, and that is when we are saying that tan 2x is 4 over 3, means the solution should be in quadrant 1, right? So tan will be 4 over 3, also in quadrant 3, correct? So that means somewhere like this, right? So that is 2x for us, or this. You get the idea. So that is what it is. Now, if you look into x, right, then the value of x will be where? Well, the value of x will be half here, right? And somewhere there, correct? So we are now looking into solution in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 2. So you understand the significance of find all possible values of tan x. So means both plus and minus will be our answers. Understand? Now tan 2x is 3 by 5. Remember one thing, if you are in quadrant 1, that is perfectly fine. Correct? But cos of 2x will be equal to minus 3 by 5 if you are in quadrant 3. Does it make sense to you? So this is a very important step to understand, and many students ignore that we could have been in quadrant 3 also, right? And that's why some values are lost. And now we can find the value of, as I said, you'll find the value of tan x using the formula. So tan x is plus or minus. We got both the values, right? So 1 minus cos 2x over 1 plus cos 2x. So we have a value here, plus and minus, square root of 1 minus 3 by 5, or 1 plus 3 by 5. So that is when you are working in quadrant 1. Do you see that? And you can always solve this. Once you solve this, you get plus and minus square root of 5 minus 3, right, over 5 plus 3, which is plus and minus square root of 2 over 8, or plus or minus square root of 1 over 4, which is half. So that becomes the solution when you are working in quadrant 1. Is it clear to you? Tan 2x. However, if you are in quadrant 3, in that case, cos 2x is negative 3 by 5. You get the idea? And therefore, we get tan x equals to plus minus 1 minus negative 3 over 5 over 1 plus negative 3 over 5. And that is going to give you plus and minus, not half, but 2. You get the idea? And therefore, we have a solution which is plus minus 2 or plus minus half. Is that clear to you? So we have a solution for tan x equals to plus minus half and also plus minus 2. Do you see that? So these are the four solutions which you will get. So I hope the steps and the strategy is absolutely clear. Only then you can get 100% marks. Otherwise, you lose some, right? Now, we'll apply the second approach, which I said was using the formula tan x equals to, or rather tan 2x equals to 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x. Correct? We know the value of tan 2x, and that is 4 over 3, right? So we could write 4 over 3 here equals to 2 times tan x over 1 minus tan square x. Is that clear to you? I would like you to now pause the video and answer the value. Answer the question. Find the value of tan x. Perfect. You know the answer already. Great. Well, those of you who really want to excel, they can actually contact me on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. You can see our approach. We just don't simply solve the questions. We discuss and find alternate ways of solving a problem that helps you in learning. And to my students, that is what the success path is. Great. So now let's cross multiply. So you can see 2 and 2 will cancel, right? So we'll get 2 times 1 minus tan square x equals to 3 tan x. Makes sense, right? Bring them all together. 0 equals to 2 tan square x plus 3 tan x, and that 2 becomes minus here. Now you can factor, right? We are looking for product of minus 4, sum of plus 3. So I could write this as 2 tan square x plus 4 tan x minus tan x minus 2. 2 tan x is common, right? Factor. We get tan x plus 2 minus we have tan x plus 2. Now tan x plus 2 is common. And we have 2 tan x minus 1. So you can see the solutions yourself. Equating that to 0, we get first set of solutions, which is tan x plus 2 equals to 0, right? And that gives me tan x equals to minus 2. The other one, which is 2 tan x minus 1 equals to 0, gives me tan x equals to half. Remember, what we did here was that tan x, we have assumed that it is in quadrant 1, right? But tan x could have been here also, correct? In quadrant 2. So in quadrant 2, the values would be reversed. So you have to write both the values, right? So therefore, as you know, all the solutions will include for tan x plus and minus half and plus and minus 2. You can clearly see from here that most students will not provide all the four solutions, correct? I think you can see how we sometimes do make a mistake. But if you have seen this video and have understood this strategy, you're there to score 100% marks, far ahead of others. And that's the difference which we bring to you. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write a comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.